Are you trying to launch FiveM but nothing happens? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and I'll show you how to fix it under a minute. First, we need to make sure no conflicting tasks are running. Open your task manager, press Ctrl Shift and Escape. Look for any running Rockstar game processes or FiveM tasks that might be stuck. Right click and select End Task on all of them to ensure a clean slate. Now press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type in %local update % and press enter. This will open your local folder directory. Inside this folder, navigate to the Rockstar Games directory and then find the GTA 5 folder. Inside you will see a folder named Launcher. Pro tip, if you want to be safe, you can copy this folder to your desktop as a backup, though it isn't strictly necessary. Now rename the launcher folder to GTA 5. This forces the game to reinitialize correctly. That's it. Try launching FiveM again and it should open up perfectly. If this guide helped you resolve the issue, please leave a like and subscribe for more fixes. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Goodbye.